Okay, so I have my crimper from Terviiix, and first of all, cutest little bag. I'm obsessed with like bag things and just mini small things. And I also always need to put things in places, so it works. But they came with these little plates, so you could actually do even smaller crimps or just like different styles. Like this one. So I'm actually kind of excited to use these because I expected these to turn out bigger. And so now I'm like excited to do some other stuff and like kind of just like even enhance the curl like in my daughter's hair because they have like a little bit finer texture hair than me, so I could like blow dry theirs and then use this just for fun. It has a bunch of settings, which is cool too. I had mine on 430, but you can have it all the way down to 280, which is usually what I do if I would do something like that with them. For funsies, but yeah, super nice. So actually turn this off and then I can just click it a few times. So I can't show it now because it's hot, but you just slide these off and then you put the new plate on. Super easy. I used hairspray and everything, and there's only like a little bit of stuff on it, like, but the gunk doesn't stick, which if you know, there's certain brands of like straighteners, curling irons, that kind of stuff that do that. So personally, I was a little bit nervous because I'm a cosmetologist, hairstylist, and I'm all about like the same brands. I've been using the same straightener and the kind of same line of things for so long. But when they reached out to me and asked me to do this, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it because I love doing my hair, and especially now that it's longer, I've been like having fun doing little styles. So if I could recommend it, you can use my discount code and yeah, have some fun with your hair. Why not?
So here's what I have so far with the plates. They're easy to change. Once it cools down, you just pull this upwards and it slides off, and then you just slide the other ones on. But this has got my hair straight. I was very like unsure if this was gonna work on my hair type, if it was gonna straighten it. I used the purple one, which is this, and I also try the gold and the pink. Okay, so the purple one is probably like my most favorite, and the pink one is it's kind of it's good, but so far this is a very, very good device.
Okay. No. You video. Oh my God. Got it.
Alright, you good.
So I can touch the sky.